Good evening. So is the board is visible to you clearly? Good evening, good evening. The board is visible to you clearly? Okay, okay. Good evening to all. Om Shri Mahaganadhipataye Namaha. Good evening. Today we are going to learn problems on two identities. So today is the last class for this polynomials. Tomorrow's session is on number system. Okay na? So today's formulas: a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. A cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Children, we are going to do sums on these two formulas today. Factorization of polynomials. Factorization of polynomials basing on these two identities, which are very, very, very important. Okay na? So shall I start? 1, 2, 3, go. The first problem is, so first one I will take this one, normal one, 27a cube plus 64b cube. 27a cube plus 64b cube. The question is factorize. The question is factorize 27a cube plus 64b cube. How to do this? Okay now, if you see, this is a binomial. This is a binomial containing two perfect cubes. A binomial containing two perfect cubes. So I can write this one as 3a whole cube and this one as 4b whole cube. 3a whole cube plus 4b whole cube. Now the problem is converted into a cube plus b cube form. Okay na? So as we know, a cube plus b cube equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. A cube plus b cube equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square means the factors of this polynomial is this one and this one. And our question is factorize, na? Our question is factorize. So the factors of this polynomial, which is in the form of a cube plus b cube, one factor is a plus b and the other factor is a square minus ab plus b square. Just we need to identify what is a and what is b. Can anyone say what is a and what is b? What is a, what is b? Type your answers, children. What is a? What is a? Okay, a is 3a, b is 4b. Good, very good. A is 3a, b is 4b. So a plus b means 3a plus 4b into a square. 3a square into 3a into 4b plus 4b whole square. So 3a plus 4b into 9a square. 3a whole square is 9a square minus 3 4s are 12ab plus 16b square. So the factors of 27a cube plus 64b cube is 3a plus 4b is one factor, 9a square minus 12ab plus 16b square is another factor. Understand, children? So this is the basic problem in this model, basic one. Now we will move on to little bit harder ones. Little bit harder ones. Don't worry. I am here, okay? Now, the next question I am going to take is 16x power 4 plus 54x. 16x power 4 plus 54x. Factorize. I am not writing this one. Every problem that we are going to deal today is factorization only. Just we need to factorize this polynomial. If you see here, this polynomial is also contains two terms, but they are not perfect cubes. They are not perfect cubes. If you see those two terms, we can take something common in that. What is that common that we can take from those two terms? Can anyone type? What is that common in both ones that we can take? Yes. Can we take anything common? Only x. Only x. Nothing else. Only x. 4x. Is 4 is divisible by, is 4 divides 54? Yes, Akshay Nation told correct. Sahasra correct. Kovida correct. Lohit Babu 8x, huh? In 8 table 54 how many times? Yenana? Lohit? So we can take 2x common. 2x common. So 2 goes 8 times in 16, so 8x cube remaining. And in 54, 27 times, because we have taken x, remaining is 8x cube plus 27. And now you see the terms which are in the bracket. See the terms which are in the bracket. 8x cube plus 27. Yes, they are perfect cubes. అంటే ఈ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ చేసేటప్పుడు మన ఆలోచన ఎట్లా ఉండాలి? Something should be taken common. Something should be taken common, and the remaining should be. Remaining two terms should be perfect cubes. Atla undali idea. Okay na? So 2x and this one is nothing but 2x whole cube and this is nothing but 3 cube. Okay na? So 2x into again a cube plus b cube. A plus b, a square into minus ab plus b square. So 2x into 2x plus 3 into 4x square minus 6x plus 9. 4x square minus 6x plus 9. So they are the factors. Okay na? Understand, children? Did you understand? Can I go ahead with the next one? Okay, okay, good. Good. Next one. Next one. Right, this one. Thirty-two x power 4 minus 500x. Anyone? 32x power 4 minus 500x. How to factorize this? 32 is not a perfect cube. 500 is also not a perfect cube. What we have to take common, so that after taking common we need to get perfect cubes in the brackets. Okay. Tejal told 4x. Kishore Kumar also told 4x. Darsh 4x. Akshay Kirti x only. We will see. 4x is the correct one. Because see, if I take 4x common, 4 8s are 32. 8 is a perfect cube. Children, you should be thorough with the perfect cubes. You should be thorough with the perfect cubes. 1, 8, 27, 64, 125, 216, 1, 8, 27, 64, 125, 216, 343, 512, 729, 1000. These are perfect cubes. First 10 perfect cubes. Everyone should know all these. It is must, children. If you know all the perfect squares, then you are able to do these problems in a simple manner. See here. So 8x cube minus 125. 125 4s are 500. So since I take 4x common, so remaining is 125. So here 4x. This one is 2x whole cube and this one is 5 whole cube. 5 whole cube. Okay na? Now the given, see the bracket, the expression in the bracket. It is in the form of a cube minus b cube. A cube minus b cube. So 4x into a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. I told you a cube minus b cube equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So 4x into 2x minus 5, 4x square plus 10x plus 25. So children, these three, 4x, 2x minus 5, 4x square plus 10x plus 25, these three are the factors of this polynomial. Okay children, I will move on to the next one. Yeah. This one. Yes, factorize x minus 8x cube, x minus 8xy cube. How to factorize this? Any idea from your side? Any idea, children? Any idea from your side? What to take common? What to take common? Somebody is saying x. Take x common. Okay, good. I'll take x common. What is remaining? If I take x common, what is remaining in the bracket? Can anyone type? If I take x common, what is remaining? 1? Only 1. 1 minus 8x. Oh, no. I am taking x common. Hamza? Yes, 1 minus 8y cube. Good. 1 minus 8y cube. So x into 1 I can write 1 cube and this one 2y whole cube. The problem done. The rest you know how to do it. Is that right? Rest you know how to do it. Is it necessary to do? Or can you do it? Imra? The bracket one is in the form of a cube minus b cube. Is it necessary to explain? A cube minus b cube. Okay, you can do it na? Okay. So can I move on to the next problem? Okay. I'm going to the next one. Next. Yes. X power 4, y power 4 minus xy. What we can take common? X power 4 minus x power 4, y power 4 minus xy. What we can take common, children? xy. Very good, very good. Very good. xy we can take common. Very good. Remaining is x cube minus y cube minus 1. And 1 we can write it as 1 cube. So again this one we can write it as xy whole cube minus 1 whole cube. Now the terms in the brackets are perfect cubes. xy whole cube minus 1 whole cube. A cube minus b cube. The remaining you can do it, I think. The remaining you can do it. Is that right, children? Is that right? Yes. So can I move on to the next one? Can I move on to the next problem? Okay, okay, good. Very good. Now, I am going to change the model now. I am going to change the model. X power 6 minus 729. X power 6 minus 729. Factorize. Okay, children. How to do this? Any idea from your side? I changed the model. Now this is new model. Anyone idea from your side? $19. What is 19? Kishore. X cube whole cube. No. Okay, I'll explain. Right. See what I am doing. What I did it. See, x power 6 I am writing it as x cube whole square, and 729 I am writing it as 27 whole square. So now the problem is converted into a square minus b square form. A square minus b square form. So a square minus b square is nothing but a plus b into a minus b. We know that a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b, where a is x cube, b is 27. So a plus b, a minus b. Understand, children? Now again, this one 3 cube, 3 cube. Now after this, can you do it? After this, how many of you are say that I can do this after this? I know how to do it. How many of you say? Sragvi says yes, sir, I can do it. Only Sragvi. Okay, Akila, Tejal, Akshay. Okay, Kovida, Sahasra, Darsh, Kirtika, Sauryesh, Niharika. Very good, very good. Very good, children. Yes, you can do it, because after this, just applying the formulas. A cube plus B cube, A cube minus B cube. Okay, good, good, good. All good. This is A cube plus B cube formula, and this one is A cube minus B cube formula. Okay, na? So I am writing the answers. A plus B into A square minus AB plus B square. And this one, A minus B into A square plus AB plus B square. So the result is x plus 3 into 9, x minus 3 into 3x plus 9. Okay, na? So these 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 are the factors of this polynomial. Okay, na? Understand, children? If you want it, you can take screenshot. A plus B into A square minus AB plus B square. A minus B into A square plus AB plus B square. Okay, na? If you want, you can take screenshot. Now, yes. Now, I am changing the model again. So can we do this? X power 9 plus y power 9 minus y power 9. Factorize. X power 9 minus y power 9. X power 9 minus y power 9. How to do this? Yes. Write this one as and this one as. Understand, children? Okay, na? Now this is the form of A cube minus B cube. A cube minus B cube. A minus B into A square plus AB plus B square. Here A is x cube, B is y cube. So A minus B into A square plus AB plus B square. Now this one again, A cube minus B cube form. So A minus B into A square plus AB plus B square. This one for this one. And this one, it is x power 6 plus x cube y cube plus y power 6. Okay, na children? Did you understand? Okay. Again this one we need to split. A cube minus B cube form. Okay, na? Very good. The next problem, I am moving on to the next one. I am going ahead with another model, that is A cube minus 1 by A cube minus 2 by A plus 2A minus 2A plus 2 by A. Factorize. A cube minus 1 by A cube minus 2A plus 2 by A. So here, this one, A cube minus 1 by A cube, we can write like this, na? This one we can write like this. And here I can take negative 2 common. negative 2 common so that we remain with a minus 1 by a. This is an important model. A cube minus 1 by a cube we can write as 1 by a whole cube. 1 by a cube we can write as 1 by a whole cube minus, I am taking negative 2 common from these two, remaining is a minus 1 by a. Now this one in the form of a cube minus b cube. So a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. A cube minus b cube, a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square minus 2 into a minus 1 by a. 2 into a minus 1 by a. Now, if I simplify this, these two get cancelled, 1 plus 1 by a square. Now, this is remaining. Now see children, this is one term and this is the second term. In both the terms, a minus 1 by a is common. So we can take that one as common. Remaining is a square plus 1 by a square minus 2. If I take a minus 1 by a common, remaining is minus 2. So what is the answer at the end? A square 1 minus 2 is minus 1 plus 1 by a square plus 1 by a square. This is the answer. Important model. Take screenshot for this one, everyone. Very, very important model. Okay. Next. I'm moving on to the next one. I'm moving on to the next one. X power 6 minus 7x cube minus 8. See this model. Excellent model. This is an excellent model. X cube minus 7x cube minus 8. Degree 6 polynomial. Degree 6 polynomial. How to do this? We raise the kangar browse now, so there is no need to worry about this. No need to worry about this. Just splitting the middle term ante. Splitting the middle term. 1 into negative 8. Negative 8. We need to search for two numbers whose product is negative 8 and the sum is negative 7. Sum is negative 7. So 1 into negative 8 is negative 8. So we can write it as x power 6 minus x cube minus 8x cube plus x cube minus 8. Okay children? Now, from the first two, what we can take common? X cube. Remaining is x cube minus 8. If I take x cube common, remaining is x cube minus 8. And from here, nothing we can take common. But if nothing we cannot take, we can take common. We can take one common from that. So now again these two are common. And remaining is x cube plus 1. So children, x cube minus this 8 is 2 cube and x cube plus 1 is 1 cube. 8 we can write it as 2 cube, and x cube 1 we can write it as 1 cube. And after this, how many says that I know after this how to do? How many of you say? After this, how many of you say I know? I know it very well. After this, how to do? దీని తర్వాత నేను చేయగలను అన్నవాళ్ళు ఎంతమంది? How many are there? This is in the form of a cube minus b cube and a cube plus b cube. I think you can do it. Is that? Okay, good. So I will move on to the next model. Because today I need to conclude this topic. One or two models are there. Just I will finish that so that I can start number system tomorrow. Yes. 0.85 into 0.85 into 0.85 plus 0.15 into 0.15 into 0.15 by 0.85 into 0.85 minus 0.85 into 0.15 plus 0.15 into 0.15. Find the value of. ఏదో చూడగానే ఏదో నాయన ఎంత పెద్ద సమ్ ఉంది, దిస్ మచ్ బిగ్ సమ్, హౌ కెన్ వి డూ ఇట్? How can we do it? This one. Don't feel. If you see the numerator, it is nothing but 0.85 whole cube plus 0.15 whole cube. Numerator. And denominator 0.85 whole square minus 0.85 into 0.15 plus 0.15 whole square. Now see the problem. A cube plus b cube by a square minus ab plus b square. Is that right, children? A cube plus b cube, I consider a as 0.85, b as 0.15. So the problem is like this: a cube plus b cube by a square minus ab plus b square. So this a cube plus b cube, how can I write it as? A plus b into a square minus ab plus b square by a square minus ab plus b square. Is that right? A cube plus b cube, where a is 0.85 and b is 0.15. So a cube plus b cube is by a square minus ab plus b square. We can write it as a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square by a square minus ab plus b square. So these two get cancelled. Is that right? So what is remaining? A plus b. What is a? What is b? Answer is 1. That's all. Answer is 1. Understand, children? Understand? Is this problem beautiful or not? Yes. Very good one. Okay. Yes, children. So with this, I conclude this polynomial topic. All the models are done. Means important models are done. And tomorrow onwards I am going to do on number system. Okay na? So So again, sharp at 7 o'clock you need to join tomorrow. 7 p.m. Don't miss the class and have a nice time. Dhanyavad. Good. You can take the screenshot for this problem. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. Only 8 likes for this section. No problem. Thank you, thank you. Ah, 8 p.m. only. Sorry. Streaming at 8 p.m. only. 8 p.m. Not sorry. 8 p.m. 8 p.m. only. Okay, good. Tomorrow streaming at 8 p.m. You can see online. Okay, bye Nana, bye.